Cause I don't know. It's fun.
Okay, I'm gonna go explore. It's really windy. What is that? What the heck is this? It's a face hugger. Hey, Glitchy, look what I found.
What? Oh, Jesus Christ! Get that away from me, bro. No. Alright, Pumpkin, go play. Done! Bunny, look what I drew. Yeah, what's up? Of course. Hey, I'm gonna go in the water. Okay. Be safe. Thanks. Hey, show you stupid mutt. Daddy. What? How do I get this off my nose? Oh, I know how. Bonnie's, he's fighting with a shark. He's fighting a what? Huh? Holy frick! Freddy, we have to go down there. He's getting attacked by a shark. And they're just playing. He's dying! Oh, thank you. What are you? Gotta test the water. Not too cold. I ain't doing that. Freddy! What are you talking about? Bro, listen to me. He's dying. And you're not freaking helping him because the water's cold? Yeah. No more cheesecake. Really? Did you just call me a shark? Yeah. What's wrong? You're a shark, right? Okay, first of all, it's 2021. I can be whatever I want to be. I can be a sea cucumber right now, bro. And I bet I'm about to freaking cancel on Twitter. Cancel on Twitter. Cancel. I bet you think I'm about to eat you and I'm a meat eater. Yeah, you are. That's what a shark is. Oh, I'm gonna eat you because of that, but I still eat plants. That doesn't make any sense. Whatever. Yo, what's up, bro? Ah, cactus! Dang.
What you know about